In this video we will guide you step by step on how to cook longsilog, a Filipino breakfast dish consisting of sweet longanisa sausage, garlic fried rice, and fried eggs. First, place the longanisa sausage in the pan. Add enough water to cover the sausage halfway. Cover the pan with a lid and let the sausage cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then heat a pan and put some oil to fry the longanisa. Okay. This method is optional. Once the longanisa started to brown, you need to cut in half and refry again. In order to cook and add a little crispy in the inside of the longanisa. Or, you can also fry the longanisa without cutting them into half. Looking for the best deals on top-rated supplements and health products? Look no further than A1 Supplements, and don't forget to check the link on the description for exclusive discounts and offers. Once it is fully cooked and has a nice golden brown color, use tongs or a spatula to transfer the longanisa to a serving plate. The next step is how to cook sinangag or garlic and egg fried rice. The ingredients are rice, garlic, eggs, cooking oil and salts. First, beat the eggs and add a little bit of salt. Then crush the garlic. Then add some salt in the rice and mix it gradually. Then heat the pan and add and spread oil into the pan. Fry the garlic first. Take out the garlic when it turns golden brown color. Next, put the beaten eggs to the pan. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe on our channel, and click the notification bell. Add the rice and fried garlic once the beaten eggs are cooked. Then stir fry them all and mix it gradually. Depending on your saltiness preference, you can add a little bit of salt and taste test. Our last step is how to make sunny-side-up eggs. Heat and add some oil in the frying pan. Then crack an egg into the pan, and season the egg with a pinch of salt. Let the egg cook slowly until the whites are set and the yolk is still runny. Once the egg is cooked to your liking, use a spatula to carefully transfer it to a plate. Repeat the steps, for as many eggs as you want to make. Finally, this video has shown you how to cook longsilog and each component perfectly. This is perfect for breakfast lovers and Filipinos craving a taste of home. If you want more videos like this, please check our playlists. Thanks for watching.